The third sector is full of passionate people working tirelessly to improve lives. But sometimes, even the most dedicated of us need a little help. We are Cardiff Third Sector Council, otherwise known as C3SC, and we've been working with our members, individuals, community groups and not-for-profit organisations in Cardiff. Together, we're developing a shared approach to help create a strong, independent and connected voluntary sector. This is how we're doing it. Funding and sustainability. Imagine pooling expertise to secure grants that benefit you. We can help voluntary and community groups find resources and funding, working together to use them effectively. Involving people and integration. The third sector understands the needs of the community better than anybody. We want to hear your voices when planning services and take an approach that is led by communities to create initiatives driven by the people you serve. Promotion and recognition. We'll promote community action with the public and private sectors. Think of networking events where our members can share best practices and influence positive change. Communication. We'll tell your story and showcase the incredible impact the third sector makes. We've made a central resources hub to support voluntary groups and organisations with information, marketing and communication. By working together, we can build a brighter future for Cardiff's voluntary, community and social enterprise sector and the communities we serve. Let's keep doing great things together. Visit www.c3sc.org.uk.